Hello amazing people. Welcome back again to Artiv Creative Tutorial. I'll be your host for today and my name is Innocent Luvaha. So today I'm going to show you how to make this kind of craft over here. This one. And my simple plane, which I was able to use simple materials that you can find at home. And I hope you enjoy our video. So we are going to start by this type of craft. First, we'll need to have a pair of scissors, a pencil. You'll need a glue stick. It's simple to use and it dries so quickly. Colorful manila papers. I'll start with the pink manila paper. 4 to 5 or even 3 depending on how what you can get over here. Which, just to be able to make my work easy, I'll have to use a cup. So I'll just pick my cup, place it upside down on my manila paper, then I just draw a circle. So I can just draw several circles that I need. So that's one. Then I have the second one over there. Then the third one. So after that I'll put my cup aside, then I pick my pair of scissors and just try and be able to cut some fine circles of the way I've been able to draw them. So I just cut round quickly. But don't be in a hurry. Try to take your time whenever you're doing this, just to be able to get something fine, something perfect for your craft. So I'll just cut that round and slowly. So for those of you who found yourself whenever you're doing some cutting using your scissors and your cutting is not that good, I'll remind you to try and do practice whenever you're using your scissors. Try practicing cutting too many different papers, sizes and shapes. And there we go. I'm already done with my first manila paper, which is the color pink. So I'll take these 4 pieces and just put them aside, and then I'll pick my second manila paper, which is color yellow. So just to be able to save on time, I'll try and fold my manila paper first in 4 equal parts, and then after that I'll draw my circle using my cup, then I can cut, which will be able to help me save on time. And then let's see, there we go. So how many do I have? 1, 2, that is 1, that is 2, that is 3, that is 4, that is 5. So I'll put my waste aside, and then I'll go to this third piece of manila paper, which is color orange, which this one is what we call glow manila paper or luminous papers. The same, I'll repeat the same procedure with the color yellow. I'll just try and get some 4 to 5 folds, then I'll draw my circle on top of it, and I'll cut the circle. There you go. So how many do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5. Actually there are 5, yeah. So I'll put that aside, then go to my last color, which is color blue. So I'll put the waste aside. Nicely. So I'll go to my last manila paper, which is color blue. I'll use the same procedure again, blue manila paper. There you go. Again I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So with this, we can try and start on creating on our craft. Let's see what we're going to have at the end of it all. So I'll put my waste aside, then bring all the manila papers I was able to cut earlier. That is color pink, that is color orange, and then the color yellow is over here. So if you need any other color, we'll just add it on, but we'll start with whatever we have. So I'll just start with the orange first. So what you need to do to be able to create something like this, so we are going to make them more of a pattern, like the way you see over here with my string. So to be able to achieve this, we'll just have to fold the manila papers first. After folding, then sticking them using different colors. So I'll start with the yellow, then go to the orange, just as you go on, Let's see what you have at the end of it all. So I'll fold one manila paper like this. Just fold it in half, like this. After you fold it in half, pick a different manila paper. Again, this is color orange, and then fold it in half again. What I'll do first, I'll take this one fold, which is color pink, apply my glue on one half, then pick a different color and stick on top of it. So I'll just pick my glue stick. This is a glue stick, which is a very nice glue. It dries so quickly. So I'll just put this aside, just not to confuse you. I'll put all this aside and then start with my first color, which is color pink. So we apply the glue on the half of the circle. So we'll just apply it nicely, like that. Then pick my different color, which is color blue, and then we come and bring it to the top, but now you're sticking only half of the circle again. So I'll just stick that nicely. Then apply my glue again on top of this blue on the half of the circle. Then pick a different color and stick it on top. So I'll pick my yellow, this is color yellow, and then I'll just stick it on top, just half of the circle, nicely. Like that. Then pick the last color, which is color orange. Apply the glue again on the orange or either on the other side of the pinks. Then apply your glue nicely. Then pick the orange circle, stick it only on half of the circle, like that. Then try and put some pressure as you press them together, just making sure the glue sticks nicely. And then this is what you have when you open up your pieces of circles. So you can see I have the different color yellow over there, the color blue, the color pink, and the color orange. So what we need now to do is to stick or apply some glue on one side, then stick it, then we're going to have the circle that you're looking for. And to be able to make it look more of a decoration that you can hang outside, either it's outside or in your house, inside your house, you can use a string. So this string will just try to help you in combining all those circles or patterns that you're able to create. Then they will look more of a good decoration. So for myself, just to save on time, I'll take my string, make sure you have a string with you. So I'll take my string, put it inside in the middle over there, like that. So before I stick it, then you can apply your glue nicely. You can choose to apply the glue first, then you place the string in between. But I'll just do that, place my string nicely in between over there, then just stick that together. There you go. So we are done with the first one. So you go to the second one, stick all the different colors, and then we'll come and again insert the string in between. So I'll put that aside over there. So we'll just need to make several of these. Just make sure you stick them nicely. Some manila papers, sometimes it can give you some hard time whenever it comes to sticking. So I'll apply my glue first on one side, like that. After that, then I'll bring the string with the first pattern I was able to create, then put the string in between like that, then stick them together. Just stick them together nicely. And there you go. So we just need to create more. So we need like either 4 or 2 more. Then you can see what we have at the end of it also. I'll just put that aside, then go again. I'm just repeating the same procedure again that I started with. So just nicely apply the glue like that, and then just stick them together. But before you stick them together, bring your string and put it inside or in the middle over there. Then join the two together. And there you go. So you can continue the rest of the waist that you have over there. Just keep on creating more and more. If you want it to be long, you can make sure you have a longer string. Have as multiple colors as you need. Try cutting different colors, different manila papers, and join them together and see what you can create. But this is what I was able to create at the end of it all. Try it at home. Have fun, enjoy it. It's art, it's creativity, and let's see what you can come up with. Okay. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like, remember to share, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a dislike too, it will help us improve. Thank you.